Inside of this box is without a doubt the most expensive thing we've ever checked out. This is the Panasonic VariCam, and with all the accessories, it comes in at about $25,000. Now, huge thanks to Panasonic for sending us this camera to check out. Super awesome of them, and it would not have been possible without you guys. We check out the most amazing stuff, the most expensive cameras, and it's thanks to you and your viewership. Without you, we could have not have done this. So huge thanks, because without you, this wouldn't have been possible. So we are no strangers to filmmaking and cinema gear. Last August, we unboxed the Red Scarlet, and even just a couple weeks ago, we unboxed the Sony a6300. I'm a big fan of cameras, and it's for that reason that we're always looking for new stuff. So this is the Panasonic VariCam LT. This is a 4K cinema camera. The body itself is about $15,000, and altogether with accessories, it's about $25,000. So let's see what Panasonic gave me to check out. Okay, with that taken care of, let's go ahead, open this box up and check out the gear. Wow, we've got a lot of stuff. This is not the retail packaging, of course. This is a custom-made Pelican case. Holy moly. So we're gonna take a look at this, but let me talk about this. So we have a Red Scarlet. It's just a tiny box. You can definitely check out our video about that. And you can see what came with it, because it came with the whole kit, everything you need to get it running. Compared to this, wow. Yeah, this is a lot of stuff. So let's start with the camera. This is the VariCam LT. This does have a PL mount. It's interchangeable just like the Red. Supposedly in this box, we should have a Canon mount somewhere. So you can easily change this. It's got a top handle, and I mean, like, this thing's so cool. Let's look at this. So we've got the viewfinder. This is, you know, the eye cup thing. So that's what you got right here. We've also got the cable for it. And looks like something to clean the viewfinder. I'm probably going to put all this back so I can actually figure out where it goes when I return this. We've got the side handle, which is actually a really awesome thing that I want and I really like. It goes like this, and then you can use the shoulder mount, which I'll take out look in a second. You can just go like this. It's super cool. So there's that. On this side, we have got our cards. So 512 gigabytes worth of cards, 256 ones. This is our screen. So this plugs into the camera, and you can control everything that happens there. We got our shoulder mount. So this is going to go on your shoulder, and that goes with the handle. We've also got a quick release plate for the tripod. We've got our card reader, because this does use proprietary cards. Just like the Red uses the mini megs, these use P2 Express cards. We've got 2 Anton Bauer battery chargers, 2 Anton Bauer batteries, and see, we also got our Canon mount right here, which I am going to change out. So check our video, because we're making a video on how to change the Canon mount, because I don't have PL lenses. I'm a Canon person. And then holy moly, we got just a lot of goodies. See, I got Steve's name tag, power cable for the charger, and USB cable, probably for the card reader, another USB cable, something else, power wall adapter, and an empty SD card case. Awesome. Okay. Wow. Yeah, this is such an amazing camera. I'm super excited to check this out. There's just endless things on here. I really can't believe that we got this. So I am really excited to use this some more. We are Red people, but it's actually interesting to try out other brands and a real cinema camera. So yeah, that's it for this unboxing. I'm going to have to figure out how to put this together, swap out that mount, and yeah, we'll be back at this again in another video. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions about the VariCam LT, leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, leave a like and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with iAppleTech120, and I will see you in the next one.